In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-way SMS in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll be able to send and receive text messages directly inside your account, test the flow end-to-end, and plug SMS into your automations. Two-way SMS lets you handle conversations where your leads and customers can reply, and their messages land right back in GoHighLevel. Make sure you have permission to text your contacts and that your number supports SMS. First, log into your GoHighLevel account from the official website. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account or sub-account. Inside Settings, select Phone Numbers. Here you'll see any numbers already connected to your account. If you don't have one yet, click Add Number to buy a new number. You can search by area code and choose a number that matches your audience. If you already have a number listed, you can select it instead. Click on the number to open its settings and make sure SMS is enabled. If there's a toggle or permissions section, confirm that outbound and inbound SMS are both turned on. If you're prompted to complete any compliance steps, such as A2P 10DLC registration, go ahead and finish that now. This may include submitting your business details, brand verification, and campaign registration, so carriers can deliver your messages reliably. Follow the on-screen instructions and save your changes. Next, assign the number to the correct sub-account or location. This ensures the right team and pipelines use the right number. With that done, go to the conversation section from the left-hand menu. This is your inbox for texts. Pick a contact you have permission to message, then send a quick test SMS. Include the correct country code if needed, and use a simple greeting so it's easy to recognize. Ask the contact to reply to your message. When they respond, you should see their reply appear in the same conversation thread inside GoHighLevel. If your system shows delivery or error statuses, glance at those to confirm everything is flowing. Finally, head to Automations, open Workflows and add SMS actions where they make sense, like after a form submission or a missed call. You can personalize messages with contact fields and set conditions to keep the conversation moving when someone replies. That's it, your two-way SMS is ready. Test with a few contacts, monitor deliverability, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.